Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this video is extremely special to me because we just hit 500 subscribers and I'm so excited and I'm just elated that you guys are really rocking with me. Like, we really did it. So for this video, I'm switching up my style just a little bit. I normally use bright colors, but I really don't do anything this intricate, but I decided to switch it up a little bit and just celebrate our 500 subscribers. Okay guys, so this is what we're looking at. If you see me looking over here, I'm just looking at myself in the mirror. So this eye is what we're looking at. I just used my Morphe 35B palette to achieve this look, and then I used a NYX glitter. So without further ado, let's just get straight into the video. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this blue shade right here, pick up that blue shade, and I'm just going to start packing it in to my crease. So I'm just going to pack that in until I feel like the intensity is how I want it. Whenever you pack in your eyeshadow, it is going to be a lot more intense versus you just going straight in and buffing it out. And this is actually a Shot Miss A brush. I got a pack of 10 brushes for $10, and these brushes actually are not bad. So if you want some affordable brushes, I suggest you go to shotmissa.com. They have a bunch of stuff on there, but personally I just gravitate towards the brushes more than anything, just because their products are $1, so you kind of get what you pay for, but the brushes are pretty good, so I would suggest the brush set. Next, I'm going to take this Shot Miss A brush, and this is the E137 brush. It's a little bit more of a flat brush, as you can tell, but it's really good for packing on that color. Next, I'm going to go in with my LA Pro Girl Conceal, and this is in the shade Light Ivory, and I'm going to cut my crease. And I am going to cut it pretty high up just because this eye is a little bit different from this eye. This eye definitely has a fold in it, and it's a little bit harder to do cut creases, so I have to go really high. So I'm going to go ahead and start cutting my crease. And if you have an issue with cutting your crease, or if you're having a hard time, please just keep practicing. My cut creases still are not perfect, but you know, you just kind of got to go with the flow. I'm going to go in with a small flat brush, and I'm just going to take the blue that I used on the side of my eye, and I'm just going to pack it right under the purple. And then we're going to take a flathead brush and we're going to use purple, and we're going to pack that on right next to the blue. And if your colors aren't coming out as pigmented as you like, you can always take a little bit of setting spray and coat your brush with some setting spray. With this black shade, I'm going to go ahead and take my NYX Liquid Crystal Body Liner, and this is in the shade Crystal Gunmetal, and I'm going to go ahead and put that right where I made that crease. And I'm going to make sure to be very careful because it is so easy to mess this up. And honestly, I'm so clumsy, so I take it just section by section, being sure not to be in a rush and basically focusing on that line. So I'm using Cakey Lashes, and these are in the style ZZ. So this is how we're looking. So first off, I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty Primer, and I'm just going to take about 2 pumps of that, and I'm going to prime my face. Well, maybe not 2 pumps, maybe more like 3. And this is one of my favorite primers, just because I feel like it moisturizes my skin like a moisturizer and a primer. So I'm going to be using the Fenty Pro Filter Foundation, and this is in the shade 430. So I'm going to take a few pumps of my Fenty foundation, and I'm going to put it on this, I don't even know what to call this brush, it's just a flat brush, and I always use it for my foundation. And I'm just going to spread that all over my face. I'm going to take a wet beauty blender or damp beauty blender, and I'm just going to start patting that in. Next, I'm going to go on with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm going to conceal right under my eyes. I'm going to take my Laura Mercier setting powder, and I'm going to set the places where I put my concealer. Next, I'm going to go on with my favorite contour palette, and this is the Black Radiance Contour Palette, and it just looks like that. I'm going to take this contour shade right here and contour my face. So I'm going to take this BH Cosmetics brush in the number 3, and I'm going to dig right into that shade. I'm going to start bringing some life back into my face. I'm going to go in with Anglola from the crayon case to give me a nice highlight. And you've got to be really careful with this stuff because the pigment is out of this world. I'm going to use ColourPop. I'm going to use ColourPop, and I'm going to use Butter by NYX Cosmetics, and this is their matte lipstick. And with NYX, and this is my absolute favorite NYX butter gloss, and this is in the shade Praline. It's my absolute favorite. So 9 times out of 10, if I have on a gloss, it's Praline. Okay guys, so this is the final look, and again, I want to thank you guys so much for getting us to 500 subscribers. I know it may not seem like really big, but for me, it's 500 people that actually watch my content. It's people that believe in me, and I just want to thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel. So if you have not already and you are new here, thank you for watching my videos, and make sure you subscribe to my channel as well. Be a part of the family. And thank you guys so much, and I will see you guys in the next video. Mwah. Bye.